So how many reps and sets do we do for all of this? Well, as I've mentioned already, maximum of 6 reps. When we're lifting heavy, maximum of 6 reps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How we know we've got the right weight is if we could maybe do a 7th. But we don't need to do that 7th. But if you're thinking, yeah, I probably could, you've got the right weight. So you would do 6. If you were doing 6, you may do just 3 sets of that. You could go up to 4 sets of 6, but you could just do 6 sets. 3 sets. 3 sets of 6. Then you could do 4 sets of 5, 6 sets of 2, so on and so forth. So you can start to see as the reps go down, the sets can go up, and vice versa. So there's like a seesaw effect with regards to reps and sets. But again, there are a million different options out there. Basically what you're looking for, if it's lifting heavy, is can you maybe do 1 more? So whether you're doing 4 reps, can you maybe do 1 more? Doing 1 rep, can you maybe do 1 more? You're doing 6 reps, can you maybe do 1 more? And you kind of want that on every set that you do. With regards to rest, it needs to be a longer rest because you always want to have that 1 rep in the bank. So your rest would be longer. Now, if you are a beginner to this, you will need to build into this. So everything that I've talked about, if you've never done exercise before, you probably don't want to start with strength training. You're probably going to want to start with muscular endurance type of training, building up core strength, building range of movement, and then moving into strength training. You will build strength doing that, but it's not out and out sort of maximum strength. There will be a certain degree of strength and endurance that you will gain early on, but you won't be putting your deconditioned body under that much stress. So you build a bit of condition, you build a bit of capacity, and then you move into the heavier 6 rep training. What you can then do is then be a little bit more adventurous with the weights that you choose and the reps and sets that you do, and then you get the luxury of a slightly longer break in between the exercises. So that will hopefully give you an idea of reps and sets. With regards to how many times you do it a week, you mainly do strength training twice a week, which again is advantageous because it doesn't sap up as much time, but you will get the benefits of bone health, muscle health. You're working against sort of the loss of bone density. You're also working against something called sarcopenia. So you've got osteopenia and osteoporosis, and you've got sarcopenia, which are bone loss and muscle loss. That process slows down, and you can also sort of reverse it ever so slightly, but you'll maintain muscle mass and bone density much more effectively if you're using strength training at 6 reps or below.